Hi everyone, I'm Howard from Aorus, and today we're back with another unboxing. Today we'll be taking a closer look at one of the most premium 30 series graphics cards from the Aorus family, the Aorus GeForce RTX 3090 Ti Extreme Waterforce. The RTX 3090 Ti is a higher performance version of the RTX 3090, with slightly more RT and Tensor cores and a slightly boosted core clock. You'll still get an abundant 24 gigs of GDDR6X memory, just like the RTX 3090, but you'll also get slightly increased memory speeds as well. This is the Waterforce Edition, which means the GPU is cooled by an all-in-one cooling solution with a pre-installed pump and a radiator. Also inside the box is an exclusive Extreme Aorus Chibi. You can tell by the black and gold. The RTX 3090 does draw considerably more power than its 3090 counterpart, so we do include a triple 8-pin connector, which is absolutely necessary for something with this much power draw. Before we get to the specs and features, we notice that most of you who watch these unboxings aren't actually subscribed yet. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to check out the latest Aorus product releases. Okay, now back to the unboxing. Despite being a high-end GPU, the RTX 3090 Ti Waterforce has a quiet black and gold aesthetic with no RGB on the GPU and the fans. There are some reflective qualities from the metal backplate, but otherwise it's very subtle. The RTX 3090 Ti version of the Waterforce comes with a smaller GPU than the RTX 3090 version, but it does make up for its size from its massive 360mm aluminum radiator, which supports triple 120mm fans. Next to the GPU and VRAM, we have a large copper baseplate for heat dissipation. The pump and radiator are connected by roughly 18 inches of braided FEP tubes. Lastly, the rear of the GPU has 3 DisplayPort 1.4 ports and 1 HDMI 2.1 ports for display outputs. While the 3090 Ti may not be a suitable graphic card for everybody, there's no doubt that the Aorus Extreme Waterforce is one of our most unique graphic cards out there. It's suitable for PC building enthusiasts who demand this type of aesthetic, or performance chasers who want every ounce of performance for their gaming system. We hope you found this unboxing video helpful. If you're interested in the Aorus Extreme Waterforce, please check out the link in the description. Be sure to hit the like button and hit the notification bell, and leave a comment down below for which Aorus product you guys want us to unbox next. You can check out our other unboxing videos here, and we'll be back every Thursday with a new unboxing video. Once again guys, I'm Howard from Aorus, wishing you the best. Team up and fight on.